Welcome back to another quick feature spotlight from Davin. In this video, we're exploring the item catalog in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, a smart way to manage and organize products or services that you don't keep in inventory. Let's take a look at how easy it is to set up and use.
Hello, and welcome to today's video brought to you by Davin. I'm Shri Spiran, and in this session, we'll be diving into the item catalog within Business Central. Currently, I am on the home screen, which provides me with a high-level overview of relevant data for my department. Next, I'm going to navigate to the item listing by typing in items in the search bar. Here, I can see a listing of all items that can be purchased, sold, or both. I can also search for an item using the find function. For this example, I'm going to type in desk. If I go into the item card, we can see even more details relating to the item, such as the item type, the base unit of measure, the item category, the quantity in inventory, the costing method, the cost, as well as the price. On the right-hand side of the screen, you may notice that we can also add a picture of the item and view other details. We can also create item attributes such as color, brand, size, etc. using the item attribute function. These are just some examples given, but you can define that based on your company's needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how Davin and Microsoft can support your business, please reach out to us. We'd love to chat. And remember, we're here to help you run your business better.